Surviving at the edge of the galaxy may seem impossible, a challenge so vast and daunting that it almost defies imagination. The sheer distance from everything familiar, the unknown dangers lurking in the cosmic dark, these are obstacles that would test the limits of any species. But humanity has always adapted to new frontiers. Time and again, we've faced the unknown, driven by curiosity and the desire to thrive where others thought survival was out of reach. From the plains of Africa to the frozen poles, we've conquered every environment on Earth. Our story is one of resilience, ingenuity, and the relentless pursuit of possibility. The galactic edge is our next great challenge, a place so alien it redefines survival itself. Stars are sparse, darkness is profound, and the silence is absolute, broken only by the hum of our own technology. The psychological toll would be immense. Isolation, distance from Earth, and the weight of the unknown would press on every mind and spirit. Yet our history is one of relentless exploration. We have always found ways to overcome fear and uncertainty, forging ahead into new realms. The edge of the galaxy is the ultimate wilderness, pushing our science, technology, and spirit to their limits. Every step forward will demand innovation, courage, and unity. It's not a question of if we'll go, but when and how we'll prepare. The journey will require new ways of thinking, new tools, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. Living so far from our home galaxy forces us to confront what it means to be human. It challenges our sense of identity, belonging, and purpose. Can we become true citizens of the cosmos, no longer bound to a single world? Can we build new homes, new communities, and new dreams among the stars? Surviving at the Milky Way's edge would mean transcending our origins. It would mean evolving not just physically but culturally and spiritually as well. We'd become galactic citizens defined by our adaptability, our cooperation, and our shared vision for the future. This is the dream that fuels our exploration, a future where humanity's home is not just a planet, but the stars themselves. It is a dream of endless horizons and limitless potential. The cosmos is calling, and we are ready to answer, forging a new destiny among the stars. The galactic edge is a realm of extremes, dangerous radiation, bone-chilling cold, and endless darkness. Here, the familiar comforts of our solar system vanish, replaced by an environment that tests the limits of technology and human endurance. Without the protection of our solar system's magnetic field, cosmic rays bombard everything, threatening life at the cellular level. These high-energy particles can damage DNA, disrupt electronics, and make even the simplest tasks hazardous for any living being or machine. Temperatures hover just above absolute zero, demanding habitats with flawless insulation and constant energy. Every system must work in perfect harmony to keep the cold at bay, and even a minor malfunction could spell disaster for those inside. Any failure in heating would be catastrophic. In moments, life-sustaining warmth could vanish, and frost would creep across every surface, threatening both equipment and human life. The darkness is absolute, with only faint glimmers from distant galaxies. Out here, the night is endless, and the absence of sunlight can disorient even the most seasoned explorers. Humans would need to create artificial day and night to maintain mental health. Carefully timed lighting cycles would help regulate sleep, mood, and the body's natural rhythms, providing a sense of normalcy in an otherwise alien world. Yet, this emptiness offers a unique gift, an unparalleled view of the universe. With so little light pollution, the cosmos reveals itself in ways impossible to imagine from within a galaxy's bustling core. With no bright stars to obscure the sky, the cosmos would be visible in breathtaking clarity. Nebulae, distant galaxies, and cosmic phenomena would stretch across the sky, offering a window into the universe's deepest mysteries. The galactic edge is the ultimate observatory, a place for discovery as much as survival. Here, scientists could study the universe's origins, search for new worlds, and perhaps even glimpse the unknown. The challenges are immense, but so are the rewards. Every hardship faced here is matched by the promise of knowledge and the thrill of exploration. For explorers and scientists, this is the frontier that calls us onward. It is a place where courage, curiosity, and innovation come together in the pursuit of something greater than ourselves. The opportunity to see the universe from this vantage point is a powerful motivator. It reminds us that, even in the harshest places, the human spirit is driven to reach further, to see more, and to understand the cosmos that surrounds us. Future humans could build habitats from asteroids and comets, using space itself as our construction site. Hollowed-out asteroids would shield us from radiation, while their interiors could house self-sustaining ecosystems. Artificial gravity, hydroponic farms, and recycled water would make these worldlets vibrant, living arcs. Comets, rich in water and gases, would provide essential resources for air, water, and fuel. By combining asteroid strength with comet resources, we'd create resilient settlements on the cosmic frontier. Advanced robotics and autonomous mining would transform lifeless rocks into thriving homes. Breakthroughs in material science would ensure safety and comfort in the harshest conditions. These habitats mark a shift. Space is no longer a place to visit, but a place to live. We'd use the very fabric of the cosmos to build our future. The dream of living among the stars becomes a reality, one asteroid at a time. Humanity's next great cities may orbit in the darkness at the galaxy's edge. At the galactic edge, cosmic radiation is a constant, invisible threat. Without Earth's protective shield, we'd face relentless exposure to high-energy particles that damage DNA and threaten health. The best defense is mass, habitats buried deep within asteroids, or spacecraft with thick, radiation-resistant hulls. Water layers in ship walls could double as both shield and resource. Active shielding, like artificial magnetic fields, could deflect charged particles, mimicking Earth's magnetosphere. These technologies demand powerful superconducting magnets and robust energy sources. Our strategy will combine natural and engineered defenses, from asteroid homes to advanced medical monitoring. Genetic engineering may even make us more resistant to radiation. Surviving the cosmic storm requires a comprehensive, multi-layered approach. Our ingenuity will be our shield as we venture into the unknown. Earth's resources are finite, and our growing population strains the planet's limits. As cities swell and natural habitats shrink, the pressure on our environment intensifies. We face mounting challenges: dwindling fresh water, loss of biodiversity, and the depletion of vital minerals. The choices we make today will shape the world for generations to come. Relying on a single world leaves us vulnerable to disaster, asteroid impacts, climate change, or pandemics. History has shown that unexpected events can threaten our very existence. Our planet's interconnected systems mean that a crisis in one area can quickly ripple across the globe, affecting everyone. Expanding into space is the ultimate insurance policy for humanity's future. By reaching beyond Earth, we create new opportunities for survival and growth. Colonies on other worlds could serve as lifeboats, ensuring that civilization endures even in the face of catastrophe. The drive to explore and acquire new resources is woven into our history. From ancient navigators crossing oceans to pioneers settling new frontiers, humanity has always sought to push boundaries and discover what lies beyond the horizon. The solar system is just the beginning. The galaxy holds untold wealth in asteroids, comets, and new worlds. Each celestial body offers unique possibilities: rare metals, water, and even the potential for life. The resources waiting in space could transform our civilization. Mining the galactic edge could fuel civilization for millennia. With advanced technology, we can tap into these vast reserves, powering industries and supporting life far from Earth. The promise of abundance could end resource scarcity forever, but expansion is about more than need. It's about ambition and curiosity. The urge to explore is part of what makes us human. It drives us to ask questions, to innovate, and to dream of a future beyond our current limitations. Settling the galactic fringe would unite humanity in a common purpose, inspiring generations. Working together to reach new worlds could foster a sense of shared destiny, breaking down barriers and building bridges between cultures. The challenges demand global cooperation and innovation. No single nation can achieve this alone. It will take the combined efforts of scientists, engineers, and visionaries from every corner of the world. We must build sustainable, closed-loop societies and avoid repeating Earth's mistakes. Learning from our past, we can design habitats that recycle resources, minimize waste, and protect fragile ecosystems, both here and on distant worlds. The ethics of space settlement are complex. How do we share resources and protect new worlds? We must consider not only our own needs but also the rights of future generations and the preservation of untouched environments. Our journey outward is both a technological and moral challenge. It will test our ingenuity, our values, and our willingness to work together for the greater good. The future we build among the stars will define what kind of species we become. Our choices today will echo across the cosmos, shaping not just our destiny, but the legacy we leave for all who follow. The galactic edge is unimaginably cold, just 3 degrees above absolute zero. Heat is precious, and habitats must be marvels of insulation and thermal management. Every joule of energy must be captured and recycled. Waste is not an option. Solar power is useless here, so we'll rely on nuclear fission or fusion for warmth and electricity. Advanced heat exchange systems will redistribute warmth where it's needed most. Spacesuits must be lifeboats, layered, heated, and fail-proof. Any malfunction could be fatal in seconds. Mastering the science of heat is essential for survival. We must become experts in insulation, energy efficiency, and power generation. Only then can we turn the coldest places in the universe into homes. Conquering the deep freeze is the key to thriving at the galaxy's edge. At the galactic edge, solving the energy puzzle is a matter of survival. With no sunlight, nuclear fusion becomes our best hope, clean, powerful, and fueled by resources from comets or space itself. Zero-point energy, the quantum energy of empty space, could one day offer limitless power if we unlock its secrets. The extreme temperature difference between habitats and space could be harnessed with advanced thermoelectric generators. Every surface facing the void becomes part of our power system. A diverse energy portfolio, fusion, thermoelectric, and radioisotope generators, ensures resilience. Innovation here could transform not just our survival but our entire civilization. The search for new energy sources is both a necessity and an opportunity. The galactic edge will drive breakthroughs that echo across the stars. Powering our future means thinking beyond the sun. Surviving at the galaxy's edge is as much about adapting ourselves as our technology. Low gravity weakens bones and muscles, demanding artificial gravity, exercise, and perhaps genetic therapies. The psychological toll of darkness and isolation is immense. Habitats must simulate day-night cycles, offer space, and foster community to protect mental health. Over generations, humans may adapt, naturally or through engineering, to better survive deep space. We might become taller, leaner, or see better in low light. Genetic modifications could make us more resistant to radiation or require less oxygen. These changes raise profound questions. Will space dwellers become a new species? Adaptation is evolution in action, a testament to our resilience. Our greatest strength is our ability to change. The human factor is unpredictable, but it's what will ultimately allow us to thrive. At the galaxy's edge, our ingenuity and adaptability will define our future. Our journey to the galaxy's edge is the ultimate expression of human curiosity. The challenges, radiation, cold, darkness, are immense, but not insurmountable. Each obstacle overcome is a step forward for all of humanity. Technologies born from this quest will benefit life on Earth and beyond. Spreading among the stars ensures our survival and opens unimaginable possibilities. The story of humanity becomes a galactic epic, not just a planetary tale. The universe is vast, and our journey has only just begun. Our destiny lies in the stars, and we are ready to claim it.